guys see how this house, this is very contemporary look home. There's no natural fascia that you know like on a traditional home. So this is all squared up, nice. We got the covered patio right there. Pool is going to be in this area eventually. So you're going to have your like your back oasis. 2 blocks to the east is Atlantic Ocean. So the guys are getting ready for the inspection for tomorrow. No, I'm sorry, for Monday. We're good. Cleaning up a little bit around this job site. I got water bottles off. Here I am picking up water bottles again. But they're cleaning up, as you can see. Bags and stuff. I mean, they did a good job. I'm not gonna really bust their chops. I'm just doing the follow through. All that's got to go in the garbage. We're gonna save whatever wood we can save. All this is foreign material, so this is not finished stuff, so I can always reuse it. The dumpster is filled up. It's cleaned up over here. See what this side looks like. Same thing, clean it up. I can use all this rebar in some capacity, a form or another. And have him come and pick up the dumpster. The guys are taking off the drill ties, get this smooth. You see this nice smooth concrete beam? That's what it looks like when you have a great pour. No honeycombs and everything. So we're going up a 2-story here though. This part is going to be a 2-story over here. This is the roof final here. That's what we get an inspection on. Steel columns are in. Kevin did a wonderful job on that. Got my broom because we're taking brooms around here. Cleaned up inside. Got the steel columns in, recessed in, getting inspected. Here, there. We'll cut those off. I got a drill tie. These not drill tie. I got a Tapcon this 2x4 in. Even though it's pinned up, but I'm gonna add like Tapcons, 16 inches on center, because that's a nailer. That's not subordinate. That's just for the wood at the top to have something nailed to. But I'm gonna Tapcon it. We got the bolts here. You see those bolts on the ledger? Those are bolts we got going on there. I gotta put a bucket here, and then doing that, we have. Got to put a bucket here and a bucket here. As we come out here, they stripping the wood. I'm not going to take these posts shorn down until like 28 days. So that's how we get down there, because that's usually the minimum time you should have. You know, you can reduce it. This here is the bottom of the forward deck up there. So I'm not going to take this down yet. Probably give it another week. I think it's almost 28 days. I'm sure that's going to be nice and smooth at the bottom there. These post short is not going to come out. These drill ties going to be, you know, they got to take these off. I don't like those on there. They should be on there anyways. Hey, Pooh Bear. Just get those drill ties up there. You see these drill ties? Yeah, just get all those up. Take those out. As you see down here, just take your time and take all those out. Get it nice and clean while we can. Same thing over there. The little wire right there, take that down as well. All right? I gotta have a clean job site, so that's what we got going on here. All that hammering you see in the upstairs. Yeah, so I shall return. Want to get a few things. See, I go to the dollar store and I get me my soap so the guys get clean. I'm clean. See, that's $1.25, so they can wash their hands. You guys are doing a great job, man.